Ever wondered what makes your car underperform? Or why your fuel efficiency isn't what it once was? Chances are it's due to carbon buildup in your engine. Now, imagine how you felt when your car ran smoothly, just like it did when it first rolled off the assembly line. That feeling can become a reality with the Diamond Group's Engine Detox service. So, let's dive into the world of the Diamond Group Engine Detox. And no, you don't need a degree in automotive engineering to understand. In simple terms, the Diamond Group Engine Detox reduces emissions by 72% while reducing engine noise. Of the many molecules and compounds coming out of the tailpipe, the EPA is primarily concerned with the five of them: carbon dioxide, CO2, oxygen, O2, carbon monoxide, CO, hydrocarbons, HC, and oxides of nitrogen, NOx. This involves using hydrogen to remove carbon deposits from your engine's emission system. The service cleans anti-smog PCV valves by hydrogen action, which neutralizes internal carbon buildup of the catalytic converter and cleans O2 and NOx sensors. Think of it as a deep cleanse for your vehicle's emissions system. The process begins by breaking down and cleaning all the carbon buildup from the internal emissions system components, including the catalytic converter. While this process is taking place, a tube will feed hydrogen into your vehicle's air intake system while it's running. As the hydrogen travels through the engine, it reacts with the carbon deposits. This causes the carbon to break down, turning it into smaller particles. These particles then get expelled from the engine through the exhaust system. The result is a car that runs smoother, has improved fuel efficiency, and emits less harmful pollutants. It's like giving your car a new lease on life. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the magic of the engine detox for yourself. It's a simple, affordable, and effective solution to common GDI and diesel engines to restore performance and fuel efficiency. So why wait? Give your vehicle the care it deserves and notice the difference. Remember, a clean engine is a happy engine, and a happy engine makes for a happy drive. Together, we will make it a better eco-friendly environment. So breathe new life into your vehicle and stay environment cautious with the Diamond Group Engine Detox today.